Ever wondered what the optimal conditions for growing portobello mushrooms are? Today we're exploring this very topic. We'll delve into temperatures, humidity, light conditions, and even air quality, all vital aspects of mushroom cultivation. Stick around as we dive into the fascinating world of mushroom cultivation. Firstly, temperature plays a crucial role in the growth of portobello mushrooms. The ideal temperature range for these flavorful fungi is between 55 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is optimal because it mimics the cool, damp conditions of their natural environment. Maintaining this temperature range not only facilitates mushroom growth, but also contributes to their overall health and vitality. So, whether you're cultivating them indoors or out, monitoring and regulating temperature is essential. Remember, keeping your mushrooms at the right temperature is key to a healthy crop. Secondly, let's talk about humidity and light conditions. Humidity plays a crucial role in mushroom growth, keeping the environment moist and promoting healthy development. Strive for a humidity level of about 95%. On the other hand, light isn't as critical, but a few hours of indirect sunlight each day can be beneficial. Not maintaining these conditions can stunt growth or cause your mushrooms to dry out. With the right balance of humidity and light, your portobello mushrooms will thrive. Lastly, substrate and air quality are equally important for mushroom cultivation. Portobello mushrooms thrive best in a substrate rich in organic matter, such as composted straw or manure. This provides them with the essential nutrients they need to grow. As for air quality, it's crucial to ensure good ventilation. Mushrooms respire just like us, so they need fresh air to breathe. However, avoid drafts as they can dry out the mushrooms. By providing the right substrate and maintaining good air quality, you're setting your mushrooms up for success. To sum up, growing portobello mushrooms successfully requires a keen understanding of their preferred environment. Remember, they enjoy a cool temperature, high humidity, low light, and clean air. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!